Hello, dear student. How are you? And I think that everybody is very fine. And today I am also very fine. And welcome to my 8th science class. In previous class, I discussed a lot of rules of mathematical problems of chapter 7 and chapter 9. And again, today also I will discuss about some mathematical problems or exceptional rules of chapter 7. The name of our topics is lift, that means weightlessness. Already I have discussed about the theory part of weightlessness, and 2 years or 3 years ago, mainly Dhaka board, one kind of mathematical problem came from this topics weightlessness, that means chapter 7. So these mathematical problems or these mathematical rules is very important for every student. Okay, let's go our lesson today. The mass of body in the lift is 50 kg. The mass of body in the lift is 50 kg. The lift is going upward. That means lift is going upward direction. Bengali meaning upore dike. Is going upward with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Another line, after some time the lift is going downward. That means in case this, the lift is going on downward. Bengali meaning downward means nicher dike, downward with the acceleration of 6 meter per second square and carrying 100 kg of another body. That means this lift carries 100 kg things or any matters. That means another body. That means we can say that 100 kg of matters or anything or any another things contains or present in lift. The value of G in that place is 9.87 meter per second square. That means in this case acceleration due to gravity also present, and this value also present, and this value is 9.87 meter per second square. First questions. Calculate the apparent weight of the body when the lift goes upward. When the lift goes upward, and in this case we will calculate the apparent weight of the body. Apparent weight of the body when the lift is going upward. We know that when lift is going upward, in this case this formula will be F equal m into g small g plus a. This is the formula, and we know that according to theory of weightlessness from our textbook, when lift is going upward, and in this case acceleration due to gravity is increased according to my theory. So in this case F equal m into g plus a. This is the additional acceleration. This is the additional acceleration. That means when lift is going upward, in this case a amount of acceleration is added with the main force, that means F equal to ma. And in this case the formula is F equal m into g plus a, and this is the formula for these mathematical problems, especially Sinum. Now we know this is the answer. Given that weight of the body upward, weight of the body upward, that means F equal to what, and the mass of the lift, the mass, that means the mass of body in the lift, mass of body, the mass of body m equal 50 kg. And acceleration due to gravity small g equal to 9.87, and this value present in the passage or steam, 9.87 meter per second square. The value of acceleration due to gravity in that place is 9.87 meter per second square. 9.87 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity, that means small g. Another, that means the lift is going upward when upward with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. That means upward acceleration present is small letter a equal to 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. And the apparent weight of the body, apparent of the body F equal to what? F equal what? So, and now we can easily calculate and find out the apparent weight of the body with the help of F equal m into g plus a. Already I have found that the value of quantity in right side with the help of steam, and we have get the mass of body m equal to 50 kg and acceleration due to gravity is small g equal to 9.87 meter per second square, and upward acceleration a equal to 5 meter per second square, and apparent weight of the body. Now we will calculate this. Now I will putting the value of small m and small g plus small a m. 50, small g 9.87 plus a equal 5, 50 into 14.87. Now I will calculate this. 9.87 plus 5, 14.87. And into 50, 743 Newton. That means this is the result. This is the result of upward apparent weight of the body. This is the result of apparent weight of the body when the lift is going upward. This is the main result. That means 743.5 Newton. Now, second questions. Denote the weight difference. The weight difference. Again, I say that the weight difference will be found in the two bodies during the journey of lift towards up and downwards direction. Analyze mathematically. That means this information will be compared upward direction and downward direction. That means the weight difference will be found. The weight difference will be found in two bodies during the journey of lift towards up and downward direction. Already I have calculated upward direction, and we get the upward direction 743 decimal or 0.5 Newton. That means 743.5 Newton. This is the value of upward direction. And now at this moment I will calculate downward direction. When lift is going on downward direction, in this case the mass of the object and the mass of the acceleration, what will be? Again our stream, let's go our stream. After some time the lift is, this is the second, after some time the lift is going downward with the acceleration of 6 meter per second squared and carrying 100 kg of another body. The value of g in that place is 9.87 meter per second squared. That means when our lift is going downward direction, in this case 100 kg of object present in that lift, and in that case acceleration will be 6 meter per second square. And these types of information present to solve questions number D answers. Now I will calculate this and I will solve this. So everybody attentive your lesson. Given that, at first I will find out given that. Given that small g equal to 9.87 meter per second square, and downward acceleration, that means downward acceleration small a equal to 6 meter per second square. 6 meter per second square, this value present, and another mass of the body, m equal 100 kg. And then weight of the body when downward, that means weight of the body, F prime equal to what? A prime. Now, and according to weightlessness theory of lift, and when lift is going on downward direction, in this case acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity will be decreasing. So in that case the formula will be F prime equal to m into g minus a. G minus a, this is the right formula of in case of downward direction lift. This is the main formula. That means F prime equal to m g minus a. We know already we have find out small m and g and a value from steam. That means in this case small g equal to small g equal 9.8 centimeter per second square. On the other hand, downward acceleration small a equal to 6 meter per second square, and then another mass of the body when lift is downward direction, in that case mass equal to 1000 kg of another body, and weight of the body A prime equal to what? And we know A prime equal to m into g minus a when lift is going on downward direction. M 100, small g 9.87 minus 6. .87 into 100, 387. This is the downward direction. That means when lift is downward direction, in that case the mass of the weight of the body will be 387 Newton, and the first step when lift is going on upward direction, and we get, or we have get 743.5 Newton. When lift is going on upward direction, 743.5 Newton, and when lift is going on downward direction, in that case the mass, the weight of the body, we have get 387 Newton. So we can say that, or we can write this, the weight difference will be found in two cases, when lift is downward direction, when lift is upward direction. So this line is correct, and this is the mathematical analysis of this, the mathematical solution of this question's answer. so that the wide difference will be found. The wide difference will be found in their two cases. So that, and last position we must be written down. Again I say that in the last stage of these mathematical problems, everybody must be written down the first line. The wide difference will be found in two bodies when lift is going on upward and downward direction. Again I say that at first everybody find out this value 387 Newton when lift is going on downward direction, and then the last step, every student must be written down the wide difference will be found. The wide difference will be found in the two bodies when lift is downward direction and upward direction. And this is the finishing line for mathematical problems. Thank you.